Want to change your Google Play Store country on your Android phone? Follow these simple steps. Open the Google Play Store and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Payments and Subscriptions, then tap Payment Methods. Scroll down and choose More Payment Settings. This will open your Google Payments page in your web browser. On the left side of the page, tap the menu icon, 3 lines, and select Settings. Under Country/Region, tap the option to change your country. If available, Google will ask you to create a new payments profile. Tap Create New Profile, then select Continue. Choose the country you want to switch to and tap Continue. Enter your new billing address and payment details, then tap Submit to complete the process. Once the process is finished, your Google Play Store country will be updated. Keep in mind that Google only allows you to change your Play Store country under certain conditions, and you can usually do it only once every 12 months. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android tips, Google Play Store tutorials, and tech guides.